people, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. I'm just going to show you how to make, how I make my festival. I know everyone makes it different, but this one, it's nice and fluffy, just like the one from the package. I'm just going to get started. I got 3 cups of flour here, and I got 1 tablespoon of baking powder, plus 1 teaspoon, and I got half cup of cornmeal, and sugar. I got 1 cup of sugar right here. It goes in, and a teaspoon of salt. And then I just mix it all together. And I got a cup of milk, just room temperature. Just pour it all in. Let me bring you guys a little bit closer. There we go. Alright. Just mix it all up. And then you just keep on adding your water to it. Mix that together. Get all nice and sticky. It would be surprising to a lot of people. How do you know how much water you need? But you don't want to mix it too sticky until you can't roll it. But you just keep on adding water. For me, I just got 1 cup of water here. I start with, and seems like that will be enough. You don't want to mix it too long, because that's when it's get really tight, sticky, and hard. And that's what it looks like. And you let this sit for about half an hour, 25 minutes, then you can start rolling. So I'll get back when I start that process. Okay people, welcome back. I'm just gonna show you how to roll these festival. So let's dig in. See, it's nice and fluffy. I'm just gonna bring you guys a little bit closer. Take a look at it. What it looks like. It's almost like when you're making a bread and rice. Alright, so let's get rolling. You can make these so many different ways. And the same recipe you can use to make the fried dumplings, which I'm just making festivals today. These are just some fancy ones. So this is just one way that you can do it. Your choice. If you want them looking like this, nice and long, see that? Or twisting them is not too hard. It's pretty simple. Take some time and put some love in it. You go around and back in. It's like tying a knot. See that? Just do one more. That's it. Simple. So I'll get back to you when I'm ready to get these in the pot. Yeah, people, so this is how we start our festival. Going inside here. Gotta make sure your oil is not too hot, or else you're gonna be burning. And these are nice and fluffy. See that? That's the texture that you're looking for. I don't like hard dumplings or festival, so and this is after it sits for half an hour. Gotta remember you have sugar inside, so turn it up too high, you're gonna be burning. And I got some finished ones over here. I wanna show you. Look at that. Yum. Alright. So that's it. That's how I do mine. Alright, so they're all on the flip side here. And they'll get back when they're all done. Okay, people, welcome back. I got some sweet potatoes going right here. Dumplings are all done for festival. All fried up. These I just slice them nice and thin. These will cook pretty fast. Nice hot oil. I just want to show you how thin. That's it. I cut these. And I just sprinkle these with a little bit of salt on it. Okay, people, welcome back. This is the finished product of my fried festival and sweet potatoes. I serve it with some callaloo and codfish. This is the way my wife likes it. I mean, you can serve it with whatever you like, but this is what it looks like. and she doesn't eat too much. This is her breakfast. That looking so good. Wow. Honey, your breakfast is ready.
Oh wow, that looks really great.
Wow.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie. All right, so that's my finished product, guys. You'll be getting more videos. So don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. All right, peace out.